Hi friends, here I am trying to draw and record at the same time, so there will be no extra editing of the video. Might required, so see how it come out, and I will try to upload it as I am recording through it, and it has been the 40 seconds and I have drawn only this much, so please watch my whole video. I don't know how many it will take, but as we move to the 1 minute and 10 seconds, I'm trying the tooth for this, and I'm using the zigzag line for the tooth, and as you can see, in 1 minute and 37 seconds I'm just trying to improve some of my drawing, and here I am making the proportion, the eyes, and you can see like the brow of the eyes, and at 2 minutes 8 seconds I am at the lower portion of the cheek. I am doing this, and in 2 minutes 21 seconds I am moving to the upper part of, and in exact 2 minutes 40 seconds I am making the structure of the eyes, and 2 minutes 45 seconds with the rail that, and it's about to be 3 minutes, and now I'm giving another curve, 3 minutes kind of 15 seconds, and as you can see, and I finished